today we're going to see another way to reading maps, and that is using latitude and longitude. Otra manera de leer mapas entonces usando latitud y longitud. The latitude is a position of north or south of the equator, for north or south of the equator, and the longitude is a position for west or east of the prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. La latitud entonces es para posiciones que están al norte o al sur del ecuador, y la longitud para posiciones que están al este o al oeste del meridiano de Greenwich. So here we have to work with degrees. In the latitude, the least of all degrees is 0, corresponding to the equator, and the maximum position for the latitude it's 90 degrees. That could be for north or south pole. En la latitud, la posición mínima es 0 grados, que corresponde a la línea ecuatorial, y 90 grados, que puede corresponder para el polo norte, si es 90 grados latitud norte, y para el polo sur, 90 grados si es para latitud sur. Entonces, esas serían las coordenadas de latitud. For the longitude, we have 0 degrees for the prime meridian, or the Greenwich meridian, and 180 degrees for the other side, to the opposite side of the prime meridian, which is between Russia and Alaska. Mejor dicho, para la longitud, la posición mínima en grados es 0 grados y la posición máxima es 180 grados, que está en una línea que pasa por toda la mitad de Alaska y Rusia, es decir, pasa entre ellas dos. Alright, now that we know that, we're going to give the coordinates or the approximate coordinates of some cities or places in Central America. So we're going to try to solve the exercise 6 from the book International Mathematics 2. And it says, all countries in Central America are north of the equator and west of the prime meridian. San Jose has the approximate coordinates 10 degrees north, 84 degrees west. Aquí nos dice la consigna que todos los países en Centroamérica están al norte del Ecuador. Something that we can see right here on the right. We have 6 degrees north, 9 degrees north, 12 degrees north, and so on. And at the same time, they're at the west of the prime meridian, which we can see right here. Podemos ver entonces que aquí abajo está al oeste del meridiano de Greenwich. 78 degrees west, 81 degrees west, 84 degrees west, 87, and so on. Now, as you can see here, between every degree there are 3 degrees. Why is that? Because sometimes the maps are very tiny and it's impossible to draw all of those numbers and lines, etc. ¿Por qué están entonces de 3 en 3 los grados? Porque a veces en los mapas hay que incluir mucha información y es un poco difícil poner tantas líneas, tantas rayas, etc. Entonces han hecho una separación de 3 en 3. For that reason, we have to estimate the coordinates. So, here it says, write down to the nearest degree the coordinates that would locate these places. Vamos entonces a anotar las coordenadas hasta los ángulos más cercanos de cada uno de los siguientes lugares. So, first of all, they talk about San Jose and they gave some coordinates. So let's see if they're right or not. First of all, let's try to locate San Jose, which is right here, capital of Costa Rica, la capital de Costa Rica. And from there, we're going to draw 2 lines. The first line, it goes straight to the north, or the latitude reference. Vamos entonces a dibujar una línea recta, totalmente horizontal, hasta la referencia de la latitud. And there we can see that we are between 9 and 12, perhaps in 10 degrees north. So I'm going to write 10 degrees north for the latitude. Now, what about the longitude? Vamos entonces con la longitud. For that, we draw an horizontal, a vertical, and straight line to the longitude reference. Dibujamos una línea recta totalmente vertical hasta la referencia a la longitud. And we can see here that we are almost at 84 degrees west. There we are. Okay, is that what the book said? 10 degrees north, 84 degrees west. So let's take a look to see that. And yep, 10 degrees north, 84 degrees west. So let's try to solve one of these exercises. Let's start with, let's see, we have 10 exercises. Let's work with D, Belmopan, the capital of Belize. Vamos entonces con Belmopan, la capital de Belice, and let's try to find out coordinates. First of all, the latitude. Vamos primero con la latitud. We draw a horizontal and straight line to the latitude reference, and we are between 15 and 18 degrees. And so it's possibly to say that it's 17 degrees north. Podríamos decir que serían 17 grados norte. Now, what about the longitude reference? Let's draw a vertical and straight line to the longitude reference. Dibujamos una línea recta totalmente vertical hasta la referencia de la longitud. There we can see that we are between 87 degrees and 90 degrees. So it's possible to say that it's, let's see, 89 degrees west. Podríamos decir que son 89 grados longitud oeste. Let's remember, we are making estimations. We are estimating. Estamos estimando. No estamos dando valores exactos, precisos, pero sí que tengan algo de sentido y lógica. Now, let's try to solve another one. This time with Coiba Island. That's the exercise H. Coiba Island. First of all, let's try to find it. And let's see, where is it? Island. See Mais Islands, Semilles Islands. Coiba Island, right here. Okay, I'm going to erase one of the previous exercises that we already did. So, everything looks pretty. And not with so much light. Okay, now, once again, from Coiba Island, we're going to draw a line to the latitude reference. Dibujamos desde la isla Coiba una línea recta hasta la referencia a la latitud, and there we can see that we are between 6 and 9, possibly in 8. Let's say 8 degrees north. Estamos entonces a 8 grados latitud norte. What about the longitude? Once again, let's draw a vertical and straight line to the longitude reference, and there we are, between 81 and 84, possibly in 82. Podemos decir que estamos en 82 grados de longitud oeste. Let's remember, we are estimating. Okay, now one last one. Let's see, maybe the J. No, perhaps the A. I want the A. So let's do it. In A, we have to give the coordinates of Guatemala City, the capital of Guatemala. Vamos entonces a buscar Ciudad de Guatemala. And once again, we are going to do the same. We're going to draw an horizontal and straight line to the north reference. And we can see here that we are almost at 15 degrees north, so I'm going to write 15 degrees north. Estamos casi que en 15 grados latitud norte. Let's remember, we are estimated, okay? Finally, let's draw a vertical and straight line to the longitude reference, and there we are. Let's say that we are at almost 90, it could be, perhaps 90 degrees west. Casi que estamos en 90 grados la longitud oeste. Nuevamente recuerden, estamos estimando, no estamos dando valores exactos, precisos, simplemente estimando. por ende solo hay que dar valores cercanos, pero que tengan algo de lógica. Bien, okay, so that's it. It's very easy, and I know you can do the rest of them. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, and goodbye.